Back from upstate New York.
What it do?
The man, the myth, the legend, Dollar Dills. Today, Dills is back. He usually drives a Mark V GTI that you've seen on the channel before, but today I'm going to let him drive the tuned S4 because you haven't even ridden in it yet.
No, I haven't been in it since it's been tuned.
Dills is going to drive the car. Give me a cold start, please. I never get cold starts from out here. Oh, you need the keys. Yeah, here you go. If you guys didn't know, I'm integrated engineering stage 1, no DSG tune, but I am on the 93 octane revision. So this is version 1.01 of the 93 octane tune. And what they've done is they've added a little bit more power up on the top end. It pulls really nice to redline now, so I'm super happy with it. In the last video I mentioned that I didn't think I would feel that much of a difference. Definitely feel a difference.
It's good. Dude, dang, that's so fast. I love it. Wow, that's way faster than I thought we'd be going.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
I liked your serious face when you were accelerating. That was pretty funny.
Pass people all day in 5th.
Put it to the floor.
Oh, yeah.
That's... yeah, that's 7 to 8 real quick.
So much trouble in this car.
That's what everybody says.
Oh, it's so good. No, I was saying it's just effortless. Like coming out of the GTI especially, the GTI kind of falls on its face after 80 or so, and this just keeps going. It's excellent. Like there's no sign that it's struggling or any of that. It's so good.
Right there, see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, slow down. And grab first.
Slow down.
Alright, go.
Okay.
I don't know if you saw that, but traction control came on.
Okay.
Alright, so that was Dills' thoughts on the car. Now we're going to go over to wow, I can't speak. Now we're going to go over to Powan's and
have a quick powwow.
Have a quick powwow 6.6, dude.
Route.
What are you doing?
Man, this is wild.
Yes, so we're going to Powan's. You're gonna get replaced with Powan right about. Fun fact, you have to turn the microphone on again. Even though we switched drivers, I didn't turn the microphone on this time, so it's Powan.
Hey.
If you guys don't know Powan, he also has a YouTube channel. He has a Turbo E36 and a Civic Si now. Basically, Powan has some projects on his channel, and he's growing his YouTube channel. So go click subscribe on his channel. Powan was with us when we got the car tuned, and
I rode in the back.
You rode in the back, and you thought it was fast at half throttle.
Well, like I was not, like I was being flown around in the back right there, you know, like.
Powan hasn't been in the car since the tuners revised. I think you've only been in the car once, since it's been tuned, which was that night that you were riding in the back.
Second. Should I wait a little bit, or should I just
send it?
Oh my god. Oh. See, the thing is like, oh my god. Dude, don't. This is a bad decision.
Why is this a bad decision?
I'm gonna get us in trouble. The crazy thing is like the amount of speed that this car has, and the fact that the car just feels like it's just on rails.
You have 2 turbo cars right now.
Yes.
How would you compare the supercharger to the turbo cars?
So it's very interesting because I'm used to kind of like the ramp up. This has, it just feels like when you just go down full throttle, it's instant.
Yeah.
It's like instant, consistent, very linear increase of power that is cool because in a turbo car, it's just nothing, something.
Yeah.
And like you can definitely feel it coming. Here, you don't see it coming, but you know that once you hit the throttle, it's just like, you don't have to wait. It's right there, and it's really direct. And honestly, you'll kick my BMW's ass. Kick my BMW's ass. Kick my BMW's ass.
Alright, and on that note, I'm going to end this video here. Dills and Powan both really seem to like the tune. I love the tune. If you guys want to check out Integrated Engineering, they'll be at the top of the description. As always, thank you guys for watching. Go out there and spread some positivity, and we will catch you guys in the next video.
Bye, guys. You want to do one more pull under this bridge if there's no cop there?
Yeah.